Mr. Kelly. How you doing?
Okay. Bless you.
Yes.
Okay.
He's here. I don't know if you want him to report. My name is Joshua Kelly. James Yoke.
Okay. Council number, please.
Scott Servant, 16 Court Street, 29th Brooklyn, New York, for Mr. Kelly.
Okay. Can you go please record? You swear upon the poetry for the penalties of perjury?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my clerk might be calling some people up, so we have to get called.
Yeah, so are we doing the trial today?
Oh, get a little closer first.
Yeah. Are we doing the trial today?
No, I see this filed service.
Motion, right.
That made it clear it's not on the February 18th.
Right.
Okay, so
It
it's
was-
not on the calendar. What is the motion for?
So I was given notice from the clerk's office that it was going to be heard today. The motion is for unsealing the court records. I have experience of.
Unsealing our court records in civil court or somebody else's
Well,
records?
as you can see, I have tried numerous times, 2 times already, filing a motion to unseal. The same one that I filed with this court, 2 times with the criminal court, and they have not given or turned over the unsealed records. So, and as you can see, I've been given notices, some paperwork, a letter from the clerk supervisor there, Mr. Frazier. Mr. Frazier hasn't kept his word as far as expediting the materials to me. So I'm asking for the material for the civil court to step in and unseal the records. The court doesn't have the authority to do that. Unfortunately, that's up to the court to
Let
decide.
me just get something straight first. By my question, is this motion on the calendar? It's not on the calendar. Okay, so it's not on the calendar yet. So you have to go through the clerk's office.
I did go to the clerk's office, and I did get a copy. Huh?
Did you have a bound together?
Found? No. No.
Okay. So there's ways that documents have to be properly before the court. So you have, I can't explain this. The stamping it, and we are in the is it on the public procedure day? So this is not
Probably rejected. So I went
So I'm going to ask him to take a seat. I'll call this again to find out where we are with this.
Right. The man that was just speaking to this clerk here, the manager clerk downstairs on the 3rd floor, pretty much he gave me the date, gave me the time and the room.
Future, for future or
For today. And this was on about 2 days ago.
I just want to say that this is like the 4th or 5th time around. We'd like to just try the case. The relief he's seeking and that's applied. He's asking the civil court to unseal sealed criminal court records. This court doesn't have the power to do that. I've explained that.
Objection. This court does have the power to do that.
Yes.
Because he's saying that there should be a determination.
It was denied. He's made this motion.
It wasn't denied. It was actually, if you look carefully in the motion, objection, if you look carefully in the motion, you'll see that there's a letter that was given by the supervisor clerk.
So, counsel, if you're saying there was a prior application, if you're saying there was a prior application for it,
And I did file a FOIA's request to also obtain the records. Wasn't able to do that. Received substantial amount of prejudice from the court. There you go. And from the criminal court. And as you can see here,
I do remember the judge verbally denying. The judge was sitting right next to her.
written motions?
So,
There was a written motion.
so a judge,
There should be a written, so that this doesn't happen.
as you can see, there's 2 letters given by the, right.
This is from the court document.
Right, and I also gave a disc. I also gave a disc of recorded conversations between me and the district attorney's office.
You can make a request, but I only have the authority I have. I can't. Nobody's giving me more than I got. So I can only grant you what I have authority to give you under the confines of the law provided. provided that it's in your right to have it. You get that? So
I'm asking the court, which I did respectfully so, within my brief, to order the court to unseal the records.
Criminal court.
Correct.
So you got to listen to me.
Yes.
They don't give me all types of power. They don't.
No.
I have limited scope.
And you do have the power to order the criminal court.
You don't. If I tell you I don't have the power, then I don't have it.
Is that what you're telling me?
Well, I'll take when your motion is before the court, I'll make a determination.
Before the court.
I'll let you know if it's before the court.
This is not the motion that I filed on the 10th.
May not be.
This is the motion that I filed.
So listen to me. There's a way, there's a process. And I have to follow the process as demanded.
Well, here's the other issue, Judge.
So counsel, the first thing is, one, whether this is properly before the court right now. Second, indicating that it sounds like you're both saying there was a prior request. Was there a prior request?
As the motion shows, the prior request was made to the appropriate court, which is the Kings County Criminal Court, which I tried twice.
Okay, so
Once on June 25th, and the next one was on July 31st. August 31st.
Was there a prior request for this release from this bill, the civil court?
No, this is the first time. This is the reason why. This is the reason why.
Other than maybe there was an oral one that was made, this following now in writing, was there a prior request made from this court with the determination counsel?
Well, I remember the judge sitting here saying the motion is denied.
Was it an oral application or written?
It was a written application. It was this same set of papers like this, unbound. I couldn't really make sense of it, but I'm seeing the same. But the other thing I just want to point out, Judge.
You got an oral response, nothing written.
I remember the judge sitting where you're sitting saying your motion is denied.
Again, objection. That's false.
Now, the other thing I just want to point out, not only can this court not grant the relief he's requesting, but procedurally, this was served by mail 8 days ago.
We're not even there yet. I just want to know that it was a prior application as to indicating whether it was granted, denied, or otherwise.
It couldn't have been granted.
Or otherwise, but you can't decide. You don't have an order, right?
Objection. As you can see, there was a letter that I provided that stated,
Sir,
yeah, I consent. Yeah.
Listen, it's his position that this is his first time making a written request for that relief.
With the civil court, I made 2 requests prior to that with the criminal court. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, and then the second request that I made on August 31st, the following that I made, was granted, and I received this letter from Mr. Frazier, the supervising clerk within the criminal court building. And, well, what happened was he signed it, so that was misconduct on his behalf. And as you can see,
You made a request from the clerk for records?
For unsealed records, the same one. From the criminal court for the 3rd time. This is the motion that shows the June 25th. Thank you, June 25th, and it shows August 31st.
Show me.
All right, no problem.
I understand.
This is the notice. This is the notice of motion that the guy filled out. The clerk filled out 2 to 3 days ago.
Okay, to help you drive.
Whether he previously made an amendment, the court still doesn't have.
And he hasn't.
That's not where we are. We're not there yet. The way I work, counsel, I'm not here for the jokes or laughter either. The way I work, you make a request.
I know.
It's granted or it's denied. Or it's hard.
We've been doing this for a long time. We had a criminal trial previously.
Show me that.
These had a criminal trial. That's where this comes from. I tried the case.
What's here?
He was
Filed,
acquitted.
and the case is dismissed or granted. That's how it works. And if you send your you've got to change it. If you can't,
I remember being served that same stack of papers on a prior motion.
Listen, you don't want to bring your file today. I don't know what it is.
I don't have the whole file.
So I see what this is. This looks like something helping you.
There you go. Is the first one? This is the answer to the first one. This is the first motion that I filed on June 26th, not July, sorry, June 25th. And this is the response in the back with yellow paper. That's from the district attorney's office. Right, from the district attorney's office. Wrongfully using the case law to deny me my right to my civil records, yeah. State Supreme. Right, it was labeled wrong.
I'm asking you something.
Yeah.
I'm asking you, did you make this request in this building?
I made this with the criminal court.
So just tell me. That's not okay.
This Yes, I did. And it shows the stamp right here. It shows the stamp right here.
Today is the first time.
No, I filed this on the 10th. This is right here. You need affidavit of service? Is that what you're looking for?
You said you filed something this day.
I filed it.
Request.
Yes, me filing it, I mailed it in. Mailing delivery. That's what I did.
Is it part of your papers?
Do you need the actual certificate
I want to make sure
of mail?
if this is the first time.
I have the civil court. I have.
Because there's nothing attached. I just want to see what you filed request for.
Okay, no problem. So here you go.
No, that won't work because there's nothing attached to that. There's proof of me, proof of nothing.
What do you mean? This is a
So I'm gonna
certified
receive
receipt.
I'm going to receive this here. This is that I'm looking at. You can put it back together so you know. I see that there's, it looks like the attempt to make the request, but this is secret. Were you going to send me something else?
Yeah, I was showing you this is the second motion that I filed on August 31st.
Okay. And I don't want you to lose this.
So you can put this, if you have the top, this is the top right there.
Is this the next set in order?
That's the next set in order. That's the second
What
motion.
I'm looking at here.
So that's the second motion that I filed with the criminal court.
With criminal court.
Right.
Okay, so this says Supreme Court.
Right.
This is the next one.
Right, and
What's
it's
that?
properly labeled, as you can see, Kings County Criminal Court, State of New York.
Got
That's
it.
the second.
What's next?
Right. So this one right here is the next motion that I'm following with here, that I filed with the civil court
So today,
on the 10th. And as you can see, it was filed on the 10th. That was the top of the.
What was filed on the 10th?
The 10th was
Stamp today.
right there.
Okay.
That stands
So,
today, but this is filed.
unfortunately, I can't.
The clerk's office is the one that and I also
So
filed
let me ask you
this.
So this has a stamp on it.
Yes.
Today's date. Did
Yes.
you go to the clerk's window?
I went to the clerk's window about 2-3 days ago, and I spoke to the clerk. And I received this date.
How did this date stamp get here? Do you know?
Well, that somebody put there. I asked to see the motion. They said that it wasn't put in the system.
So you walked in
Yes.
to this building February 10th?
No, I walked in here on another day.
When did you walk in
About
here?
three-
When did you give this to the court?
About Friday or Thursday, I walked in here and I
With
asked.
this?
No, that I mailed off, as I just showed you. I just showed this to you right here on this day, on February
I
10th.
got something by
February
mail
10th.
last week, so he served me by mail.
February 10th. Also did that
Did you look at
with Scott G. Servin's office. I also did that with the district attorney's office, and I did it with the civil court. Now I'm just showing you that the dates because you asked me about 2 times the same question.
Hold on.
It was served.
All three take a seat. Thank you.
No problem. All right. Just so I make it clear.
So,
You know what I'm saying? All right, no problem. I'll see you. Thank you. Okay, so that's the end of that. That was February 18th, 2020. That was the beginning part that took place in the room, I think is 1101. Then it transferred to her chambers after 2 o'clock. Okay, all right, later.